Side sleeping is one of the most popular sleep positions, yet finding the perfect pillow can be a challenge. The right pillow should provide adequate thickness to bridge the gap between your head and shoulders, ensuring proper spinal alignment. A pillow that's too thick, too thin, too soft, or too firm can lead to discomfort and various sleep-related issues. Finding the best pillow as a side sleeper comes down to selecting one that ensures proper support and alignment. In this guide, we have compiled a list of the top pillows that cater to different sleep habits and preferences. Here's a curated list of top pillows for side sleepers. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Naturepedic Organic 2-in-1 Adjustable Latex Pillow. The Naturepedic Organic 2-in-1 Adjustable Latex Pillow is an eco-friendly option for side sleepers concerned about synthetic materials. This pillow features a unique reversible design with two distinct sides. One side is filled with soft, quilted PLA batting, a plant-based fiber, while the other contains shredded latex. The latex side is adjustable, allowing you to add or remove fill to customize the height and firmness. All materials are organic and certified by GOLS, Global Organic Latex Standard, and GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard. The pillow is encased in an organic cotton cover that's soft and breathable. This design allows side sleepers to choose between a softer or firmer feel, or even create different zones of support within the same pillow. The use of natural materials may also appeal to those with sensitivities to synthetic foams or fibers. Number 7. Tempur-Pedic Breeze Degree Pro Plus Advanced Cooling Pillow. The Tempur-Pedic Breeze Degree Pro Plus Advanced Cooling Pillow brings the brand's renowned memory foam technology to side sleepers, with an added focus on temperature regulation. This pillow is made from a solid piece of Tempur material, known for its ability to conform to your head and neck for personalized support. What sets this pillow apart is its cooling technology, featuring a gel layer designed to dissipate heat and keep you comfortable throughout the night. It's available in two height profiles, with the higher option being particularly suitable for side sleepers. The cover is made from a high-stretch performance fabric that's cool to the touch and removable for easy cleaning. While the pillow doesn't offer adjustable fill, the Tempur material is designed to adapt to your shape and maintain its supportive properties over time. The Tempur-Pedic Breeze Degree Pro Plus Advanced Cooling Pillow offers excellent conforming support and advanced cooling technology, making it a top choice for side sleepers who prioritize both support and temperature regulation. Its durable construction is designed to maintain shape over time, potentially offering long-term value. However, potential buyers should be aware of its high price point. Number 6. Tuft and Needle Down Alternative Pillow. The Tuft and Needle Down Alternative Pillow offers a hypoallergenic option for those seeking the softness of down without the potential allergens. This pillow is filled with a custom-cut foam and fiber blend that mimics the feel of down while providing more consistent support. The fill is designed to maintain its shape over time, resisting the flattening and clumping that can occur with some down alternative pillows. The cover is made from a micropolyamide and polyester blend that's soft to the touch and helps to wick away moisture. While it's not adjustable like some other options, it comes in a medium-firm feel that many side sleepers find comfortable. The pillow's construction allows it to be easily fluffed and reshaped, helping to maintain its loft over time. It's also fully machine washable, making it easy to keep clean and fresh. The Tuft and Needle Down Alternative Pillow excels in providing a hypoallergenic alternative to down that maintains its shape well over time. Its fully machine washable nature adds to its appeal for those prioritizing easy maintenance. However, it's important to note that this pillow is not adjustable, which may not suit all side sleepers who prefer more customizable options. Number 5. Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows. The Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows offer a luxurious sleep experience at an affordable price point. This set of 2 pillows features a down, alternative polyester fill encased in a 100% cotton cover, providing a soft and fluffy feel reminiscent of high-end hotel pillows. The fill is designed to maintain its shape and loft over time, resisting flattening and clumping that can occur with lower-quality pillows. These pillows strike a balance between plushness and support, making them suitable for side sleepers who prefer a softer feel but still need adequate neck support. The pillows are also fully machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. Their versatility makes them a good choice for guest rooms or for sleepers who alternate between side and back sleeping positions. The affordability of this two-pillow set, combined with their soft and fluffy feel and easy care instructions, makes them an attractive option for many side sleepers. However, it's worth noting that they may not provide enough firm support for some side sleepers who require more substantial neck support. The one-size-fits-all approach might not suit all body types, and the down alternative fill, while comfortable, may not be as durable as some other fill types. Despite these considerations, the Beckham Hotel Collection pillows remain a popular choice for those seeking a balance of comfort, support, and Number 4. Purple Harmony Pillow. The Purple Harmony pillow combines innovative materials for a unique sleep experience. At its core is a latex foam, surrounded by Purple's proprietary hyperelastic polymer grid. This combination results in a pillow that's both supportive and responsive, contouring to your head and neck while maintaining its shape. The grid structure allows for excellent airflow, making this pillow a standout choice for hot sleepers. It's available in 3 height options, allowing side sleepers to choose the loft that best suits their body type and preferences. The cover is made from a moisture-wicking mesh material that enhances the cooling properties of the pillow. While it may feel different from traditional pillows at first, many users find that it provides excellent support for side sleeping while keeping them cool throughout the night. The Purple Harmony pillow's excellent cooling properties and responsive support that maintains its shape make it a top contender for side sleepers, particularly those who tend to sleep hot. The availability of multiple height options allows for a more personalized fit. Number 3. Layla Sleep Kapok Pillow. The Layla Sleep Kapok pillow offers a unique blend of materials for a luxurious sleep experience. It combines shredded memory foam with kapok fibers, a natural, silky material that's similar to cotton but lighter and more buoyant. This combination results in a pillow that's both supportive and plush, contouring to your head and neck while providing the softness many sleepers crave. The fill is adjustable, allowing you to customize the height and firmness to your liking. This feature makes it particularly suitable for side sleepers, who often need a higher loft to maintain proper spinal alignment. The cover is made from a blend of polyester and viscose, woven with copper fibers that are believed to help draw heat away from the body. Its versatility makes it a good choice for combination sleepers who alternate between side sleeping and other positions. The Layla Sleep Kapok pillow's unique, adjustable fill allows for customized comfort, making it suitable for multiple sleep positions and preferences. The copper-infused cover may help with temperature regulation, adding to its appeal for those who sleep hot. However, it's worth noting that this pillow may be too soft for those who prefer very firm support, and adjusting the fill can be somewhat messy. Additionally, the pillow comes with a higher price point than basic options, reflecting its premium materials and features. Number 2. Coop Home Goods Premium Original Pillow. The Coop Home Goods Premium Original Pillow stands out for its adjustability, making it an excellent choice for side sleepers with neck pain. This pillow features a blend of shredded memory foam and microfiber clusters as its fill, which can be added or removed to customize the height and firmness to your liking. This adjustability allows you to find the perfect loft to keep your spine aligned, regardless of your body type or shoulder width. The shredded fill also promotes air circulation, helping to regulate temperature throughout the night. The pillow comes with a soft, breathable cover made from a blend of bamboo-derived viscose rayon and polyester. Its adaptable nature makes it suitable not just for dedicated side sleepers, but also for those who tend to change positions during the night. The customizable nature of this pillow is its greatest strength, allowing users to fine-tune the support to their exact needs. Number 1. Pillow Cube Side Cube. The Pillow Cube Side Cube is an innovative solution designed specifically for side sleepers. Its unique rectangular shape with 90-degree edges is engineered to fill the gap between your shoulder and neck, providing unparalleled support and proper alignment. The pillow comes in a universal 5-inch height, though adjustable options are available for those who need a shorter or taller pillow. The solid memory foam construction offers consistent support throughout the night, maintaining its shape without flattening. This pillow is particularly beneficial for those who experience neck pain or discomfort from traditional pillows. The cube shape ensures that your head and neck remain in a neutral position, potentially reducing strain and promoting better sleep quality. While the pillow cube excels in providing excellent alignment for side sleepers and maintains consistent support throughout the night, it may not be suitable for those who change sleeping positions frequently. Some users might find that it takes time to adjust to the unconventional shape, and the limited size options may not suit all body types. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.